Hey guys, morning. How are you? Guys, I'm excited this morning as we are doing indoor roasted breadfruit. Can you see the breadfruits on the fire? Oh my goodness. Normally we roast them outside, but because of the weather, we're having a terrible weather in Jamaica, threatened by a hurricane or a storm. But my people, this is how we do it in Jamaica. This is how we do it in Jamaica, my people. My people, look here. Look here, my people. This is how my people look here. We have removed, in order for the breadfruit to be properly roasted, we have removed this, my people, here. We have removed this, and in doing so, the breadfruit is roasted quicker. There, my people. Wow. Have you ever seen this? Let me know, please. Jamaicans, you might have an idea as to how breadfruit is roasted, indoor or outdoor. And my people here, the other one, can see there's we call it a X. We put a cross in the bottom, so therefore the steam penetrates the breadfruit and it is roasted easily as well. So this is how we do it, my Jamaican people. See, these are the two areas that we have removed to ensure that the breadfruit is properly roasted. And this we are going to have it with some ackee and saltfish. So my people, here. Now the breadfruit is fully roasted. Look how soft it is. Look there. Wow. Can you see? Wow. Fully roasted. And right here as well. Look there. Wow. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.